up in my town and I'm pulling up, ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done in the bands. I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up.
Auto show next month. I will be there on the media days.
Damn, shut up. Oh my goodness, man, it's cold. Why is it so cold? Golly, man. So it's 36 degrees, 37 degrees right now. That's just the car warming up. It's cold as balls out here, man. If y'all didn't watch my last video, shame on you. I hope you step on a Lego or something. Something not life-threatening, but like really annoying that hurts. And then when it hurts, I want it to be like, damn it, I didn't watch 728's video. Shame on me. I failed in life. But yeah, man, if you watch my last video, you'll know that I unboxed something. And now I'm going to try to install it, but it's cold as shit. So I don't know how this is going to go. There's a couple things that are really important when you're trying to install an item such as this. Because it's only going to be held on with 3M tape. It doesn't screw in or anything, so the fitment has to be good, temperature has to be good. I might use a heat gun or something to try to warm it up and get it on there, but I do have some tape. This is like painter's tape, non-stick, doesn't leave any residue.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape.
Really good just to hold it in place, to see where you want to line it up, then tape it down, make some minor adjustments if you need to, then retape it down. Once you have a good spot, lift it up, keep your tape marks, remove the 3M, the little red part of it, and then boom, you're done. You can set it down. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the surface. So there's a little alcohol wipe in here. I also have some cleaning solution that I'll use because my car is dirty as hell. Again, list of things that are wrong right now that I'll have to fix. So I'll clean the surface good, get it nice and ready, prepped nice, and then I'll test and see what this thing looks like. So give me a second, I'll be back.
Let's go!
Alright, so what was a few seconds for you was a couple minutes for me, so I just wiped this guy down. I got a spray wax cleaner, microfiber towel, wipe this thing down. Now I'm going to go over it with the alcohol pad just to make sure I get any residue from the cleaner off. And I also tried to clean in here on the little winglets for the stock part of the spoiler. And look at this window. Oh, it's so gross. Spoiler underneath, the brake light, all that shit. Just, it's a damn shame. I didn't film the whole process. So what I did was, because it's so cold and windy right now, I didn't use my tape. What I did was I got this corner pressed on. I was like, okay, this looks good. You can feel it, how it feels on the other side. So I was like, this will work. So I peeled off the 3M underneath and just left part of the red tape sticking out so I can stick this where I wanted it. And then I just went along the edge and just pulled the tape stick, pulled the tape stick, pulled the tape stick until I got all the way to this corner here and got it stuck. So now I can go ahead and start. Oh damn, get all this off of here. Oh my goodness, yes, so satisfying. Yes. ASMR channel. Make sure it's sticking good. Looks damn good to me. Yeah. So y'all remember what it looked like stocks. Y'all see I got this extra lip on the end of it, man. Just cold-blooded. All the way. Ooh, I'm freezing though. It's cold. Just enough. Boom, big Draco. Wee, man, I was literally frozen. It took all of like 5-10 minutes, to be honest with you. It didn't take that long. The hardest part was the wind and the fact that my fingers were like frozen. I couldn't do anything. And it's only like 30-something degrees, but the wind chill just makes it way worse, man. But I hope y'all enjoy my struggle in this video. It looks really good. It's so subtle, yet it stands out. Like it from different angles, it's like, what the hell? And then on other angles, it's like, oh, that looks kind of stock. So that's like exactly what I was going for, man. Just enough, man. I don't need no extras, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Let me live out, you know, my dreams or whatever, get my car up to what I want it to be, and I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for y'all, man. So I thank y'all for watching. Appreciate everything, man. Hit that thumbs up button for me. I got more stuff planned, man. Y'all know I've been talking about doing stuff for the longest, so I'm gonna get all that out the way this year, man. That's my goal. More stuff. The wing was just the beginning. I got some other stuff under the hood. I got some other stuff for those tires that I just bought. You know, they need some wheels to go with it. Just maybe. So, you know, I'm just, boom, we're gonna knock this out, man. We're gonna get it up. And we're going to get these videos out to y'all, man. So make sure y'all watch, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell your friends, tell your auntie, tell your cats and dogs, children, everybody, man. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.